Hello, I'm Randy Matheson in the Community Relations Office of the Renton School District. This presentation provides information about two important measures for Renton School District on your November 4th, 2025 election ballot. Ballots should arrive in homes around mid-October. The two Renton School District measures on your election ballot on November 4th are Measure 1, the Education Programs and Operations Replacement Levy, and Measure 2, the Technology Capital Projects Replacement Levy. Neither of these measures are a new tax. They both replace existing voter-approved levies that expire in 2026 and continue this support for local schools through 2030. Local levies help our school district continue current education programs and maintain critical day-to-day school operations not funded by the state. First, we'll take a look at Measure 1 on your November 4th ballot, the Education Programs and Operations Replacement Levy. School districts in Washington state are funded by three main sources. Federal funding, which makes up less than 11% of our district budget, helps support initiatives that support low-income families, helps support school meal programs, and more. State funding, which is the majority of our funding, is provided based on the number of students we have in our district. And local dollars, which make up about 14% of our budget, and is provided only when voters approve replacing these funding measures every 4 years. Voters in our district have approved this local funding for many decades. The last time they approved it was in 2022, and that expires in 2026. Measure 1 on your ballot provides local funding through 2030. We rely on these local voter-approved replacement levies to bridge the gap between what the state funds and what our students actually need in classrooms. It's about a $58 million gap each year. The local education programs and operations replacement levy provides equal access to opportunities for all students across the district. And funding from these voter-approved replacement levies stays right here in the Renton School District for use by our students, educators, and schools. This replacement levy ensures equal access to opportunities for students across the district. It provides funding for academic supports for students, arts programs, athletics, music, extracurricular activities, transportation, and more. The replacement levy helps fund critical day-to-day operations and helps fund important school support staff like nurses, counselors, paraeducators, custodians, and school safety staff. Here are a few examples of how local levy funding helps provide vital staff members for our schools. The state provides funding for only 2 safety and security staff members for our entire district. Local levy funding allows us to hire 11 additional safety and security staff to help keep our students and schools safe. The state funds less than 3 school mental health and psychologists district-wide. Local levy funds help us hire 17 mental health specialists for our students. And we use local levy funding to hire 22 additional school and district custodial and maintenance staff to help keep our 25 schools across the district ready for student learning. This local replacement levy fills the gap in state funding by allowing us to hire important staff like substitute teachers, classroom aides and paraprofessionals, pre-kindergarten aides, nurses, and many other school staff. Now let's take a look at Measure 2 on your November 4th ballot, the Technology Capital Projects Replacement Levy. Good, well-maintained schools has a positive effect on all our neighborhoods. Better schools help build stronger communities, improves our quality of life, and helps continue to increase the value of our homes and property. The capital portion of Measure 2 on your ballot allows us to continue renovating, modernizing, and improving existing school facilities. It allows us to continue improvements for education, athletics, and technology. It improves health in our schools and our safety and security measures. And it helps make our schools more energy efficient. The technology component of Measure 2 allows us to continue integrating technology into classroom learning and teaching across the district. Technology allows teachers to help students build essential 21st century skills. And as advances in technology drive local, national, and global employment, classroom technology helps students acquire the necessary skills to be competitive in careers of the future. The technology component of Measure 2 allows us to continue providing laptops, computers, and tablets for students and staff. It provides adaptive technology to support special education students. And as education continues in the home, it provides vital home resources like Wi-Fi hotspots. This portion of this levy also allows us to increase our technology storage, network switches, routers, Wi-Fi, and cyber security measures to keep our students and staff safe. So we've provided information about the two Renton School District measures on your November 4th, 2025 election ballot. Measure 1, the Education Programs and Operations Replacement Levy, and Measure 2, the Technology Capital Projects Replacement Levy. Now, let's take a look at costs. Using a very conservative approach to growth over the next several years, we project that our tax rates in the Renton School District will continue to decrease through the life of these levies. Even with approval of both measures on your election ballot, our total combined district tax rate is projected to decrease down to $3.39 per thousand of assessed value. Since 2016, our district combined local tax rate, that is, both of these levies plus our bond measures, has dropped 36% from $5.35 in 2016 to $3.41 per 1,000 of assessed value today, saving our taxpayers thousands of dollars in taxes. The drop is primarily due to improved assessed value throughout the district. It's due also to growth in our tax base, and that's the number of families and businesses that move into our district that help pay for these measures. The number of new construction projects for homes and apartments and businesses, and to good tax reform efforts at the state and at our school board level. Also important to note, the district asks voters in these measures to approve specific dollar amounts. It's a fixed dollar amount. These dollar amounts don't increase from what is approved by voters on November 4th. Even if your home value increases, you do not pay more in school district taxes. We're sometimes asked, how can the district say that tax rates are decreasing even as my property taxes increase? So here is an example of a home that is valued today. So the King County Assessor's Office has valued this home today at $750,000. If this homeowner was paying the same rate that the district had back in 2016, which was $5.35 per thousand of assessed value, this homeowner's taxes would be $4,012 for the year. But because our tax rates have dropped considerably down to $3.41 in 2025, the owner of this $750,000 home today is only paying $2,557 for the year. That's a savings of $1,455 because of our district tax rate decrease. We've provided information in this presentation about the two important replacement measures on your November 4th, 2025 election ballot for the Renton School District. And we've provided tax rate information showing that even with approval, tax rates are scheduled to continue to decrease for the Renton School District. Here's what you can do next. You can vote. If you're a registered voter in the Renton School District, you should receive your ballot sometime around mid-October. Mail or drop your ballot before the November 4th, 2025 deadline. You can communicate what's on the ballot and why it's important to your families and friends. You can share information from the district's website, rentonschools.us, or you can share social media posts from the Renton School District's official Facebook and Instagram pages. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have additional questions, please email community.relations@rentonschools.us. Watch your mailboxes for your ballots by mid-October, and please remember to return your ballots before the due date of November 4th, 2025. Thank you.